Hi everyone, it's me, your math teacher Jello. For today's video, let's answer this given problem. Evaluate 1 plus 1 half plus 1 fourth plus 1 eighth. So guys, ang ibig sabihin kapag sinabing evaluate, we are giving the value. Okay? So, pag-add lang natin to guys, since the operation is addition. So, 1 plus 1 half plus 1 fourth plus 1 over 8. So guys, huwag kayong kakabahan kapag nag-add tayo ng whole number and fraction at maraming fraction. Ang unang gagawin nyo dito guys ay hanapin natin yung LCD. Very good. LCD stands for least common denominator. Okay? So ang LCD nito ng 2, 4, 8 ay 8 din. So paano ko na-conclude na 8 ang LCD? Okay, kapag nilist down natin yung mga factors ng 2, 4, 8, so, 8 ang magkakaparehas sa number doon. Okay? So, ngayon, yung 8 natin, imumultiply natin dito. Since ito ay whole number, we can direct multiply na. So, 8 times 1 equals 8. And since we have a denominator here, and ito ay fraction, so, ang gagawin natin dito guys ay 8 divided by 2, 4. Tama? 4 times 1 equals 4. Okay, so same here. So, 8 divided by 4, 2 times 1, 2 yon. And then, 8 divided by 8 equals 1 times 1. So, 1 pa rin naman. Right? Okay. And then, ipag-add lang natin yung nasa numerator natin. So, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15 over 8. Okay, so tignan natin sa mga options natin kung nandun yung 15 over 8. So, definitely wala, ano? Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito guys ay, very good, i-divide natin yan. So, let's divide 15 by 8. Kasi, kung mapapansin natin sa mga options natin ay, puro naka-express sa mixed fraction or mixed number. So, i-divide natin to guys, very good. Okay, gamit tayo ng color red. So, 15. And then, 8. So, 15 is your dividend. Wag kakalimutan. Then, divisor. So, ilang 8 meron sa 15? Diba we have 1? 1 times 8 is 8. So, 15 minus 8, that is 7. Tama? Okay. So, guys, dito, or, magiging sagot natin dito, yung quotient natin na 1, it serves as our whole number. Very good. And then, yung remainder na 7, that will be our numerator. And, yung divisor natin na 8, that will be your denominator. So, 1 and 7 over 8. So, ito yung sagot natin. Tignan natin sa mga options, which is letter D. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. Kung meron kayo natutunan sa video ito, kindly like and share. Thank you for watching.